guys. Ayan, papatayin ko tong bitin na to guys. Ano ba to? Udod to. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Oh. Yan yung bitin guys, oh. Oh, yan. Yan yung bitin guys. Udod to yan guys. Kilala mo ba yan? Yung bitin na yan guys, oh. Oh, yun ang bitin. Yan na guys, patay na yung bitin guys. Yan o, bitin-bitin guys, yan. Yan guys, nakikita mo ba yung nakita ko guys? Ito siya guys. Ayan, mukhang buhay pa to guys. Ayan yung uto guys, oh. Yan. Yan yung uto guys. Yan, nakakatakot. Yan dito guys, yan. Yan oh, buhay pa yan guys. Buhay pa yan guys ha. Buhay pa yung bitin niya yan guys. Yan. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, parang buhay pa to guys ah. Ayan, ikamang guys, ikamang. Ikamang. Ito na guys.